Now today let's start with chapter number 4, combustion and flame. So let's start with the chapter. In this chapter I will tell you about what is combustible substance and non-combustible substance. In earlier chapter we have studied how coal, petroleum and natural gas they are used as fuel. ये जो fuels होते हैं they are used for domestic and industrial purpose. They are used at homes for cooking like LPG coal. Industrial fuel may be coal tar, natural gas and petroleum, while the fuel for running automobiles are petrol, diesel or CNG. Sometimes that heat energy is also accompanied by light, and this the intensity of the heat and light produced varies according to the nature of the same, right? So first is combustion. We had read how magnesium ribbon burns in the air, and what it do? It's give out bright white flame. You must have seen a candle burning. What do you see? The candle burns with the emission of heat and light. Similarly, substances like coal, charcoal, they burn in air to give out heat and light. और ये क्या देते हैं? Heat and light देते हैं. So in the example mentioned above, we see that all the substance burnt to give out heat, and what they produce? Some light, right? So chemical process in which substance burns in oxygen and to give off light इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Combustion. We have two types of substances, combustible or non-combustible. The substance which burn easily in the air और produce कहते हैं heat और light, उसको हम combustible substance कहते हैं. जो burn नहीं करते in air और oxygen, इनको हम non-combustible कहते हैं. Right? So we can say that condition necessary. क्या क्या condition necessary होती है? एक तो presence होना चाहिए combustible substance का. Oxygen is necessary. Ignition temperature जो होता है वो भी बहुत जरूरी है आपका combustible system. Now, presence of combustible substance. The process of combustion cannot occur without a combustible substance, such as coal, paper, wood, fuels. They are combustible substances. Oxygen is necessary. The process of combustible continues till there is a continuous supply of oxygen. अगर ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई बंद हो गई, डिसकंटिन्यू हो गई, सो ऑक्सीजन इज नेसेसरी फॉर कंबक्शन. यहाँ पे आपको एक्टिविटी दी है जिसमें आप शो करो कि ऑक्सीजन इज नेसेसरी. आप क्या लीजिए? कैंडल लीजिए, राइट? 2 कैंडल लीजिए, एक दोनों को लाइट अप करें और एक पे अगर एक ग्लास जार को बंद कर दे तो ऑक्सीजन बंद हो गई, तो क्या हो जाएगी? आपकी बंद हो जाएगी, वो बुझ जाएगी, राइट? सो इग्निशन टेम्परेचर ऑफ द कंबस्टेबल सब्सटेंस. सो आपको क्या लेना है? वाटर लेना है, पेपर कप में उसको होल्ड करना है, बर्निंग बर्न. आपने देखा होगा पेपर कप जो होगा वो फायर कैच नहीं करेगा, राइट? और वाटर हीट अप करना स्टार्ट कर देगा, ठीक है? एंड व्हेन यू टेक अ लाइटेड मैचस्टिक इन द कैंडल, आपने देखा होगा वो जल जाएगा. ये डिफरेंस है. सो रिजल्ट दैट वी सी टेक डिफरेंट टाइम फॉर कंबक्शन. कुछ मटेरियल जो होते हैं वो बर्न इजली एंड अदर डू नॉट टेक बर्न इजली. सो द लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर एट विच सब्सटेंस कैचेस फायर एंड स्टार्ट बर्निंग, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. Here the activity to show that no substance burned below its ignition temperature. Now types of combustion, we have slow, rapid and spontaneous combustion. So first is slow combustion, the reaction in which burning take place at very slow rate. Burning बहुत कम रेट पे हो रही है, स्लो पे हो रही है, बहुत धीरे हो रही है. जैसे आप कोल और इग्नाइट लीजिए, लिग्नाइट लीजिए. द कोल बर्न्स वेरी स्लो एंड गिव्स आउट लिटिल हीट एंड लाइट. सिमिलरली जैसे आपका प्रोसेस ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन होता है वो भी आपका स्लो combustion. Rapid, take a matchstick or some kerosene oil, ignite it with the flame. What do you observe? एकदम से आग लग जाती है. That is rapid. So we can say that when a combustible substance burn quickly और वो large amount of heat और light produce कर रहा है, उसको हम rapid combustion कहते हैं. Then what is spontaneous combustion? In some cases that of forest fire, atmospheric temperature reaches to the extent that it exceeds the ignition temperature of dry forest gases. In such cases, the grass catches the fire and this fire spreads to cause forest fire. White phosphorus catches fire itself and the temperature outside वो क्या होता है? Exceed करता है, that is 35 degree. The reaction in which combustible substance burn on its own without the help of any external heat source, उसको हम spontaneous combustion कहते हैं. Now the way to control fire. So fire can be very dangerous. It can prove hazardous to both life and property. ये destroy करती है everything that comes its way if not controlled, right? So now we know that 3 things that are required to keep fire going. एक तो combustible substance, supply of oxygen, temperature above the ignition temperature. So if we remove any of the 3 conditions, fire would get off. Mostly, water it is used for extinguishing fire brigade since not practical to remove combustible substances in case of welding. It is not advisable to extinguish fire with the water if some electrical equipment catches fire. So, water क्या है? Good conductor of electricity है. Person may get electric shock. ठीक है. Inflammable substances और electricity आप देखेंगे कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का हम यूज करते हैं. All fire extinguishers they are used for domestic or industrial purpose filled with a liquid. इसमें liquid filled होता है जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंप्रेस होता है और उसमें हाई प्रेशर होता है. Right? Taking care of fire victim. So we should immediately bring out fire victims from the area of fire to open space to prevent fire victim from breathing. हार्मफुल गैसेस जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हो गए, स्मोक हो गई, जिससे क्या होता है? सफोकेशन होता है. When the clothes of a person catches fire, the person should be covered with a blanket, जिससे आग बुझ जाए. We should pour water over victim's body. The body will cool down below the ignition temperature or the fire get extinguished. We should immediately call for the ambulance and take the fire victim to the nearest hospital or further medical treatment. Then we have flame. You must have seen your mother lighting diyas on Diwali. What do you see? Do you see a flame? All the combustible substances do not work with a flame. Substances like charcoal or coal, they do not burn, producing a flame, whereas the substance such as mustard oil, ghee or candle wax produces flame. Now only those substances burn to produce a flame. With vaporized burning, the kerosene or a wax of the candle rises up. The wick जो क्या produce करता है? Flame produce का. When the supply of oxygen is sufficient, the flame produces of a blue color, and a flame is a reason where combustion of a fuel takes place to produce heat and light. Now next is candle flame. It is a column of wax that is provided with wick at the center of paraffin wax vaporized और ये burn करती है on heat. Now let's study about the three zones. We have three zones. This is yellow zone, this is dark zone, this is outer zone, and this is your wax can. So let's study about the innermost zone that lack oxygen and least or no combustion take place. ये appear करता है black. It contains unburned wax. Innermost zone है जहाँ पे hot region of the flame है. इसको हम dark zone कहते हैं, zone of no combustion. Middle zone, there is not enough air to the complete burning of the wax vapor. Partial burning of the wax vapor, carbon particles and carbon monoxide. The middle zone of the flame is moderately whole. इसका जो major part है candle flame का. Next is outermost zone, which is enough oxygen supply. Wax vapor burns completely. और ये क्या produce करता है? Carbon dioxide and water vapor. Hottest zone है आपकी flame की, right? Which is oxygen rich region. और यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड जो होती है वो बर्न करती है विद ब्लू कलर, और ये जो रीजन होता है यहाँ पे फ्लेम होता है जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ब्लू जोन. Right? Here the activities have been given. You can read them thoroughly. Now what is fuel? The material that are burned to produce large amount of heat energy. जब हम material को burn करते हैं और वो क्या produce करता है? Large amount of heat energy. What we call it? Fuel. Like wood, coal, LPG, your kerosene, diesel, petrol, all are examples of fuels. और fuel क्या करते हैं? एक important role play करते हैं. Now classification of fuel. Basically we have classified fuel into three types. एक तो आपका solid fuel होता है, liquid fuel and gas fuel. Solid fuel में ये आपका solid रहता है room temperature से, like coal, coke, charcoal, wood and paraffin wax. If we talk about liquid, ये liquid होता है like kerosene, petrol and diesel. gas phase में आपका CNG हो गया, LPG हो गया और biogas हो गया, right? Next is classification of an ideal fuel. Now we have classified ideal fuel. It should be cheap, readily available, easy to handle and convenient. It burns in air easily. ये क्या produce करता है? Considerable amount of heat. It should have a proper ignition temperature. And it should not leave behind. देखो ये किसी भी तरह का undesirable substance leave नहीं करता. It does not give out harmful fumes. जितने भी harmful fumes हैं उनको बाहर नहीं निकालता. Let's study about the calorific value. The efficiency of a fuel depends upon the amount of heat produced. Right? By the complete combustion in 1 kilogram, तो unit क्या होती है? किलो जोल kg. Right? So the fuels are used widely in our daily life for various purposes. They are used in industries for running vehicle. Excessive use of fuel has led to environmental pollution. What are the main reason? Unburned carbon particle. जो residue left है after combustion, जैसे wood, coal, petroleum, ये main pollutant है. Global warming, it is also a result of excessive combustion, right? So due to this जो temperature है अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर का वो क्या करता है, इंक्रीज करता है. यहाँ पे melting of polar glacier is the main reason of devastation or by a flood. Many poisonous gas जैसे सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड it is released during combustion of diesel coal. ये हाईली corrosive होती है, suffocating होती है. देखा ना, हमें बहुत बार जब बात भी आग जलती है तो हमें suffocation से फील होती है. The incomplete combustion of fuel result in formation of carbon monoxide. ये कैसी गैस है? It's poisonous gas, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's start with the exercise now. Now, multiple choice question. Combustion take place in the presence of oxygen. It is the combustible substance, that is wood. The hottest part of the flame, outermost part. Incomplete combustion occur when there is insufficient oxygen supply. Dash is the example. Now, next is fill in the blanks. Dash is the example of inflammable substance. Petroleum. The process of burning in the presence of oxygen, it is called combustion. The middle part of the flame is red due to incomplete combustion. Dash is a type of fuel commonly used in truck, diesels. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is all substances are combustible. False. सारे substance combustible नहीं होते. Ignition temperature of phosphorus, false. It's not 100 degree. The innermost part of the flame, candle flame is coldest, is true. Camphor does not burn into a flame. It's false. Now short answer, what is combustion? Combustion क्या होता है? You have to differentiate between combustible and non-combustible substance. आपको condition बतानी जो necessary है and what you mean by term ignition temperature. ठीक है, जिस पे वो burn करना है. Now long answer, what are the types of combustion? ठीक है, आपको combustion बताना है with proper example. Write an experiment to show oxygen is needed. Explain why carbon dioxide is used for extinguishing fire. Now, with the suitable diagram, you have to describe part of candle flame, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.